Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Join me and let's make this banana and peanut smoothie for breakfast. Here I have my bananas, I have my peanuts, I have my very chilled milk, and I have honey. Okay, you can use any sweetener of your choice. You can choose to use sugar if you don't have honey. Okay, so now I'll just peel my bananas in the blender. All right, let's see how the blender is going to smoothen everything. Okay, so we are making review as well on the blender. Okay, so I cut my bananas in the blender just like so. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you all for your love and your constant support. May God bless you. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are yet to do that. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. This channel has to do with varieties. Okay, after I'm done cutting the bananas in the blender, I add in my peanut. Okay, this peanut did magic. Okay, and I added my chilled milk and honey. Okay, I only added a spoon and a half of honey. I don't want it too sweet. Okay, but if you want, if you love sugary, you can add more of honey. All right, and at this point I'll just go ahead and do the blending until it is smooth. If you're still watching my video and you're here to give it a thumbs up, guy, what are you waiting for? Do that. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? And just look at our smoothie. So perfect, yummy and chilled. My God, this is absolutely delicious. Good for your breakfast. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.